what you think. If you're a fellow Igbo speaker, let me know. Did I get the translation right? Is that a fitting name for her? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say. Alright, so please like this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the bell button so you can be notified anytime that I post a new video. So if you would like your own Igbo name, hit me up on my Instagram DM in the description and I'll gift you one. And if you're Igbo, let me know and I will feature your Igbo name on the next Igbo name of the day. Alright, thanks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care, have a good one, and I'll see you